Good morning to you all, dear friends. Today we shall be understanding our chapter 8. The name of our chapter is The Princess and the Shepherd. In this chapter, we shall know about a story of a princess who was very beautiful princess and her name was Rose. Now she chooses a shepherd boy as her husband. And why did she do it? That we shall discuss in this story. So dear students, let us start understanding this story. Far across the sea, there once lived a very beautiful princess named Rose. The princess was the king's only daughter and he was very fond of her. Now far across, एक बार की बात है कि there lived a beautiful princess. Her name was what? Her name was Rose. And she was the only daughter of the king. And he loved her very much. Princess Rose grew from a lonely childhood into a beautiful maiden. Many men came from far and near to seek to marry her. She refused all of them. Some wished to marry her for her riches, and the others wanted only to become king when her father died. Now, Princess Rose had very lonely childhood, and she grew up as a beautiful maiden. एक ब्यूटीफुल लड़की के रूप में वह बड़ी हुई. Many men, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग या बहुत सारे लड़के उनसे शादी करने के लिए आए. फार और नियर से, दूर दराज से उससे शादी करने के लिए आए, पर उसने सबको रिफ्यूज कर दिया क्योंकि सम विश टू मैरी हर फॉर अ रिचेस, उसके धन के लिए कोई उससे शादी करना चाहता था. एंड द अदर्स, और कोई उसके पिताजी की मृत्यु के बाद राजा बनने के लिए उससे शादी करना चाहता था. At last the king made up his mind to try out a clear plan. He told princess the secret and she at once agreed to it. And at last, what happens? King comes with a very good idea, a very good plan. And the king tells the princess about this plan and she agrees at once and goes to act this plan. Here the plan was. The princess was to dress in rags and wander through her father's kingdom. She will not to tell anyone that she was really a princess. When she returned, he would wed the man who had shown her the greatest kindness. And the princess had to dress. The plan was this: the princess has to wear dress in rags, मतलब फटे कूटे कपड़े पहनकर उसे उसके पिताजी के किंगडम में जाना था. और यह बात किसी को भी पता नहीं लगनी थी. और when she returned, जब वो वापस आती तो वो she would wed the person who had shown her the greatest kindness, जिसने उसके प्रति दयालुता व्यक्त की है, उस व्यक्ति से वह शादी करेगी. The princess changed her rich gown and jewels for a tattered dress and a pair of old shoes and a cheap shawl to cover her head. Early next morning, before anyone was awake, she slipped out of the place without being seen. And what did princess do? She changed her riches and removed her jewelries, rich gowns and removed her jewelries, and went out wearing what she wore? She wore tattered dress, मतलब फटी कूटी ड्रेस उसने पहनी, एंड चीप, एक सस्ती शॉल अपने सिर को कवर करने के लिए ले ली. और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, बिफोर एनीबडी वॉज अवेक, एनीवन वॉज अवेक, कोई सुबह सबसे उठने के पहले वह बाहर वहां से निकल गई. The princess walked on and on for many miles. until and last she made by the roadside to take she sat by the roadside to take a rest. While she was resting there, a proud man came up galloping along on his big white war horse. She stepped out into the roadways and stopped him. Now princess walked for many miles. काफी दूर चलने के बाद उसे थकान लगी और वह बैठने के लिए रोड के साइड में रुकी. When she was waiting there, resting there, she found a very proud man, एक घमंडी आदमी अपने घोड़े वॉर घोड़े पर, जो लड़ाई में घोड़े यूज किए जाते हैं, इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, उस घोड़े पर सवार होते हुए आ रहा था. She stepped out into the road and stopped him. Or what did this princess do? She stepped out and stopped him.